Easy garlic butter shrimp fried rice. Hi everyone, this is Lena. Thank you for visiting my channel. Today I would like to show you how I make this easy fried rice with two simple steps. First, we cook ingredients separately. And then second, we mix them all. And that's it. It's really simple. Let's get started. Here I have half pound of shrimp, medium size. They're about 30 to 40 in a pound. And I like to use this size the best. And then we have onions and vegetables. And we have rice, 1 day old rice, the best. We have 3 tablespoons light soy sauce, half teaspoon fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon sweet soy sauce. This is optional for color and sweetness. I have 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, pepper, and sugar. And I have some more pepper for the rice and 2 tablespoons butter. And here are some onions. And I like to use vegetables that do not release a lot of water. That way we can keep the fried rice fragrant. So I cubed the carrots for fried rice. And I julienne the carrots when I cook noodles. And for the shrimp, I slit the back just halfway. It will cook beautifully and a lot faster to cook too. So I do with the rest the same way. And I have the one with tails, so I took the tails off earlier. And here I just put a little bit soy sauce for taste. And then let's fry them. This step should take not more than, I would say, about 2 minutes. In Chinese cooking, it's important to sear so that way we get all the fragrance from the soy sauce, the butter. With the heat, it gives a lot of flavor. So we want to keep that in mind. Here, this is the way I like to cook my eggs. Kind of chunky, that way I can taste and bite into big pieces of eggs. Quick stir fry on the vegetables. Now this is medium heat. We put 2 butter and garlic. Here come the secret steps. We pour the sauce. Yes, it gives the best umami flavor when we put the soy sauce in the butter. My aunt told me years ago. Since then, I always cook it this way. And now we're gonna stir the rice. Break it with the back of the spoon or spatula, whichever you use, for even coating and searing. And again, I would like to stress it that searing is very important to give that best flavor of the fried rice. Now we return everything back to the wok, and we're gonna stir just a little bit more. It smells so good right now. And now, after all evenly mixed and coated, we're just gonna put the green onions and a quick stir for about 20 seconds. And here we are done. It's that simple, right? I really hope you try this. It's very simple. Everyone loves this. Thanks for visiting, and we'll see you again.